On you.
All right, let me show you GhostCat bikes here and walk you through the different models. So this bike right here is our F3 model, which retails for $2,200, and that is a 52 volt, 20 amp hour battery, 1500 watt nominal motor with a 45 amp controller. Peak watts is 2300. We have KKE rear suspension. We have Kenda tires off-road. The bike weighs about 82 pounds. From a power to weight ratio, it's a really good mix. The bike is very playful and nimble. And then here's our F3X. And this model retails for $2,600, so $400 more. And what you're getting with that $400 difference is you're getting a premium front fork, which makes the riding position a little bit higher. You get 120 millimeters of travel. You get a 52 volt, 25 amp hour battery, so you're gonna get about 25% more range than the F3 model. You've got the custom seat, which was made by Tapir, which runs the length of the frame. Both bikes come in at a top speed of about 35 miles per hour. They have 140 Newton meters of torque. What makes this bike special, it's very versatile for the street and for the off-road riding, so you can kind of go back and forth with the premium suspension. KKE suspension is known from the e-moto world, so you get e-moto suspension on an e-bike platform.
I see some pegs on the back.
Yeah, we have rear passenger pegs here, which is better suited for the custom seat if you want to have somebody on that. The custom seat's also going to give you 2 inches more from seat to floor position.
There's just those two models? Or?
We have a bunch of different colorways, so this is just some of the samples that we have. The neon green, we have the burnt orange, we have black and Ferrari red, we have an all black, we have a black and white GhostCat, and then we have a dark purple frame with the black swing arm and black rims. So a bunch of different colorways, and what's cool about the bike is all the bikes come with the stock seat, which look like that, but you can then customize the bike with a custom seat to match the colorway of your bike, and then a battery wrap to match the colorway too. So you get a bunch of different options. Not only from a performance standpoint, you get a versatile bike, but from a stylish standpoint, you can really customize the bike.
Really make it for you.
Yeah, absolutely. You can get it to fit your personality.
Yeah.
Charge time's going to be about 6 hours.
Okay.
Yep. So this is our F3 and our F3X, and we just introduced our latest model, which is the F4X, and that bike's down in the high speed section. Visually, it's going to look exactly like our F3X model, but it's going to be about 40% more powerful. That has a 60 volt, 25 amp hour battery. It has a 2200 watt hub motor nominal, and it has a 55 amp controller pushing 3300 peak watts. That bike weighs about 87 pounds. That bike is a beast from a torque perspective. It really picks up the front wheel, and it's going to get you a lot more power. That bike tops out about 42 miles per hour from a top speed, and that retails for $3,000.
That's right, okay. That's pretty nice. And if someone was looking to follow you guys online or wanted to pick up a bike?
Yeah, so we're at GhostCatBikes.com. We're based out of San Clemente, so if somebody wanted to purchase a bike and select local pickup, we'll build the bike for you. You can pick it up down at our shop.
Oh, you build them?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right here. What's the warranty?
1 year warranty is going to cover all your major components. We're obsessed with customer support. We have a Facebook page, Facebook group, GhostCat Bikes, where you can really see the community and see what our customers think about us. But we're laser focused on customer experience and making sure we're not selling them just one bike, we're selling them a bike for a lifetime.
I appreciate the time.
Thank you.
Being out here, man. I look forward to taking one for a ride.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.